So good evening everyone, let's continue our class. So today we discuss the topic called as algebra. Now in the algebra what we are going to study, that is variables, expressions, equations, inequality, polynomials, functions, and system of equations. And quadratic equations. So some are the basic formulas we have to write compulsory. What we are going to cover in the algebraic expression, that is linear equation in one variable, so linear equation two variables, so basic algebraic operations. The basic algebraic expressions are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, exponents and powers. In exponents and powers we are having law of exponents formulas we have, and we are having the standard identities of algebraic expression. So before writing all this, let me write first all the standard identities of algebra. What are the standard identities in algebra? We are having totally 8 standard identities. Now I am going to write all the 8 standard identities which we have to prepare for the examination compulsory. So we are going to get in the examination compulsory. So what is the first standard identity? As we know, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Second one is a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. And the third identity is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. Third identity is a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. The fourth identity is x plus a into x plus b. The formula is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. How we are getting means, first we are multiplying x with the complete term x plus b, and then plus a we are going to multiply for the complete term x plus b. X into x become x square plus b into x bx plus a into x ax plus a into b ab. From both the terms we are taking x common, the remaining will be plus a plus ab. So with respect to the addition operation, we can write in either ways. In which way we can able to write? We can write in that way. These are the squares. Next we go for the cubes. A plus b whole cube. The formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A minus b whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Next, a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And next one is a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. And we are having one more formula, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z is equal to x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus z dash. If x plus y plus z value becomes 0, then the answer will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to complete value will become 0. Then finally we are going to get the answer x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So these are the standard identities which we have to learn compulsory. Now once again, please see everyone, please go through all the definitions once again clearly which you have written, standard identities which are very important for the examination purpose. Once go through the, please note it down. So if you want to write, please note it down in your notebook compulsory. All these are definitions. Yes, now see carefully everyone. If you want, you can write all the formulas which are very important. Please note it down everyone compulsory without any fail. These are the standard all identities which is very important in the polynomials. Yes, so these are about the standard identities in polynomials. So now we'll see what is called as variable, which is called as constant. So we'll write now linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Variables which we are having from the alphabets, you can take A to Z, any alphabet. Mostly we'll use X, Y and Z. These are the variables we are going to use. For example, Ax plus B. Here X is called variable. The before the variable what is there, that is called as coefficient, and this is called as constant, and this is called as equality. For example, if I am writing X plus B is equal to 0, or Ax plus B also you can write linear equation in one variables. Now according to this one, so which is called as monomial, which is called as binomial, which is called trinomial, and which is called multinomial. So first we'll write monomial. Monomial is nothing but with one term. For example, x minus 3x minus 4x cube. This is monomial. What is binomial? Binomial which is having two terms. For example, ax plus b, 2x plus 3 minus 6x plus 5 by 2, like this. The third one is trinomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c, and remaining we are having multinomial. More than 2 degrees. These are called as monomials. So next we will write it as linear polynomial. Linear polynomial is nothing but for any variable, the degree is nothing but writing as a power of variable. Power of variable, if you are going to write, that is called as degree of, for example, x. So power nothing is there means 1, that is called as linear polynomial in one variable. What is called as quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial, if the degree of the variable is 2, for example 4x square plus 5x plus 2, here the highest power is 2, this is called as quadratic polynomial. Next, cubic polynomial, the degree should be 3, that is called as, for example, 4x cube minus 3x square plus 5x plus 4, The highest power is 3, that is called as cubic polynomial. So this is, we have to know which is called as monomial, binomial, trinomial. So what is called degree? For example, if the example is given like this, 5x square minus 4x plus 2, what is the degree of a polynomial? Degree of a polynomial. What is the degree of a polynomial? For the given expression is 2. Why? Because the highest power of the variable will becomes the highest power. Highest power of the variable will be degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. So these are the formulas which we have to learn compulsory. Next we are going to see the law of exponents, which I will write backside. Addition, subtraction. Addition, subtraction we can do easily. So which are called as like terms, which are called as unlike terms. Like terms which are having same variables, unlike terms which are having different variables, that is called as like terms and unlike terms. Now I am going to write a law of exponents in the from the what you call so that is exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. In exponents and powers we have laws of exponents. Law of exponents. We are having law of exponents. So what are the laws of exponents? Now see carefully. The first one is a power of m into a power of n is a power of m plus n. Second one, a power of m minus a power of n. A power of m minus, second one, a power of m divides a power of n, that is a power of m minus n. Third one, a power of m into b power of m, that is ab whole power of m. Fourth one, a power of m into whole power of n is a power of m into n, that is a power of m n. Fifth one, a power of m whole power of 1 by n is a power of m by n. Sixth one, a power of m divides b power of m, which can be written as a power of m by b power of m, that is a by b whole power of m. Seventh one, a power of minus 1 is 1 by a. A power of minus 1 is 1 by a power of n. Something power of 0 values is always 1. Anything power 0 will be always 1. Please write it down the formulas, everyone. See the formulas and write the formulas neatly. Tenth one, a power of m by n can be written as nth root of a power of m. These are the law of exponent formulas which we have to remember compulsory. So these are the formulas which we have to remember compulsory in the examination about law of exponents. Now we'll write any quadratic equation. Quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. This is a quadratic polynomial is equal to 0. So generally we'll write quadratic polynomial like this. For any quadratic equation we'll write ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. That we are going to write it as quadratic equation. Yes, these are the quadratic equation. So I'll show some of the quadratic equation problems also, how to solve. Yes, if I do any problem, square root of 576 minus 2 power of 3. Now see the question. Now see, this is square root of, so square root of 576. So this is the perfect square of 26 into 26, that is 26 whole square. Square and root will be get cancelled. Now see, 26 minus 2 power of 3 is nothing but 8. So we are going to get the answer called as 14. Sorry, 24 minus 8, so 26 minus 8, we are going to get the answer, 18. 18 plus 8, we are going to get the answer, that is 26. So now I'm going to show how to do a quadratic equation problem. So I'm going to write one quadratic equation problem so that we can able to solve it easily. Yes, so this problem we got from the what you call algebra problems only, these two problems. Like this we are having lot of problems, same problems. I'm going to solve all these two problems now. Now see, in the easy method I'm going to tell this question number 107. See carefully. So what is given in the question? If x plus 1 by x value is 3, if we'll ask x square plus 1 by x square, if we ask x power of 4 by 1 by x power of 4, or if we ask x power of 8 plus 1 by x power of 8, how we can able to solve this problem within 2 steps. Now I am going to show you how we are going to do within 2 steps. Very simple. First write down this square. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to, make this one square. 3 square becomes 9. So do subtraction. Square number 2, you will get answer 7. X power of 4, see what you got? X power of 2 plus 1 by x square, we got answer 7. Now same number, if I will do x power of 4 plus 1 by x power of 4, 7 square multiply, how much you will get? 49. Minus again do 2, you are getting answer 47. If they are x power of 4 plus 1 by x power of 4, answer is 47. If they ask x power of 8 plus 1 by x power of 8, write 47 into 47. So 47 into 47, how much you are going to get the answer? So if anyone knows the answer, please tell me the answer. 47 into 47. So we are going to get the answer 2700 and 2209 minus 2 you do, you will get 2207. So this is the easy method to solve like this kind of problem within fraction of seconds. So now understand how to solve these problems. Yes. Like this we are having 2 or 3 more problems. I will show that method also, how to do, how to solve like that kind of problems also. I will show you clearly how to solve. Now we are having one more question like this method near to it. Yes. So there is given 5x minus 7 by 3 plus 2 is equal to 4x minus 3 by 4 plus 4x. If you are having this much big problem, they asked to solve what is the value of 8x. So if you are going to solve this problem, how we are going to get the answer? First do cross multiplication. 5x minus 7 plus 3 to the 6 by 3, here also 4x minus 3 by 4 4 the 16x by 4. 7 minus 6 is 5x minus 1 by 3 is equal to 14 plus 4, 20x minus 3 by 4. Do cross multiplication. 4 5 the 20x minus 4 1 the 4. Next 23 the 60x minus 3 3 the 9. Interchange these two values. 9 minus 4 is equal to 60x minus 20x. 5 is equal to 8x. So x value we are getting 5 by 8. If they are asking the question 8x plus 5 value, how much? 8 into x value is 5 by 8 plus 5. 8 will be get cancelled. 5 plus 5, we are going to get the answer 10. Sorry, yes, correct only, we got the answer. So after doing the cross multiplication, we are going to get the answer 10. If you are having same method kind of problems, So I'll show one more problem in the same method which we are having. So give me a minute of time. Let me show the same method problem. One more. So maximum you are going to get the problems based on the identities or well as quadratic equation. So as I said, no, I'm going to show the two problems on the polynomial. Now you can see the polynomial question one. The difference between the roots of the equation we are getting the answer 2. Now how to do this quadratic equation I will show. See, very simple. 25x square means you will get 5x. 9 means we are going to get 3y. If it is minus, you are going to get minus. This is 5x minus 3y whole square. That's it. Like this you are going to do the problem. Like this we have to solve the algebraic problems in the easy method. We are having one difficult question. Let me solve that question. What is that question? See the question. 5 power of x by 5 power of x plus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. Yes. What is the answer we are getting? 25 whole power of x. Very simple. See, 25 whole power of x by 25 whole power of x minus 1. Answer they are asking how much you are going to get. Now before going to do this one, we'll just solve this problem. Do cross multiplication. 5 power of x into 3 is equal to 2 into 5 power of x plus 2. So 3 5s we are getting 15 power of x is equal to 10 power of x plus 2. Do cross multiplication. 5 power of x value we are getting 2. Now see, 25 can be written as 5 square whole power of x. 5 square whole power of x minus 1. Just interchange value. 5 power of x whole power of 2 by 5 power of x whole power of 2 minus 1. 5 power of x value is how much? 2. 2 square by 2 square minus 1. That means we are getting the answer 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 is the final answer we are going to get. So as I show now, I'll show once again. These are the law of exponents which we have to remember compulsory in the examination purposes. So which I said, which is very very important. These are the law of exponents and are the standard identities. So if you want, you can write it down in the notebook. Yes, you can write it down in the notebook clearly. All the identities, all the standard identities. So I'll wait for a minute of time. Waiting for, yes, if you want you can write it down. So if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe, share to your friends. If you know about more information about the TET examination, you can subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that all the videos will get into the notifications immediately. So these are the topic which you have to prepare. Now see, this is the law of exponents. So this law of exponents, as well as, I think everyone please write it down compulsory without any fail, the law of exponents. Law of exponent formulas, write it down, as well as please note it down. All this algebraic standard identity is also compulsory without any fail. Yes, please note it down compulsory, everyone. I think everyone wrote the standard identities clearly. Please note it down. If you are unable to see, yes. Next, go to the topics called as how to do the factorization. Let's do factorization problems. So how we are going to do factorize the quadratic polynomials. Let me take a question for the example purpose. Just now I have shown you the question. I think I have kept aside. Yes. In this factorization we are using the method called as x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. In this format we are going to please do rationalization chapter. Okay, so I am going to do rationalization also compulsory, no need to worry about it. Anu Iyer, Anu Iyer has given the comment, please do rationalization. So I will do rationalization also compulsory. Please do subscribe to our channel so that you will get all the notifications without any fail. So after completion of this factorization method, so I will explain the rationalization x plus 5 into x plus 3. So this is very easy now. How to do? Say, according to the common question only we are doing x plus 5 into x plus 3. As I said, see, take the first this is, if you take this one as the complete one term, two terms. In one term first value, second value, first value, second value. This is the first term, this is the second term. If you take first term, first value multiply with the second term complete, x into x plus 3. See carefully, we are taking x and writing in the bracket second complete term, and the what is the after the first term first value, plus is there, write down 5 and multiply with the complete second term, that is x plus 3. Now see, x again multiply with x into x plus x again multiply with 3 into x plus 5 multiply with x, 5 into x plus 5 multiply with 3, 5 into 3, x into x become x square. This is multiplication, it will become squares, x square plus 3 into x will become 3x plus 5 into x will become 5x plus 3 5 is 15. If we add these two, 3x plus 5x will become 8x plus 15. So if you do in the reverse process, we are going to get the factors. If we are going to do in the reverse process, we are going to get the factors. That is very easy how to do the factors. Now you can do the factors. I will tell you how to do the factors. One question, same question. If I am going to take x square plus 8x plus 15, if you want to divide, if you want to make these factors, how we are going to do the factors? Now see, divide only x coefficient. In the factorization process, in the factorization we are dividing only x coefficient. We are not going to disturb, so we are not disturbing x square and constant term. In the factorization, that is the main thing which we have to remember, is we are going to split. So we are splitting only x coefficient or x variables. We are not Sridhar Acharya method. So he is asking that Sridhar Acharya method. No, Anu Iyer, we cannot do Sridhar Acharya method, because whenever the x coefficient does not satisfy the x square coefficient and constant term, at that time we can go to the Sridhar Acharya method. So that is which you are asking, that is x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This method you are asking. Yes, this method mostly we will use when we don't have any factors. If you are having factors also, we can do this method compulsory. We can do both the method, but this becomes very lengthy method. Now I am going to do this one. See, 8x I am splitting as, see carefully, 8x I am splitting as, see, x square plus 5x plus 3x plus 15. From both the terms you are taking x common, remaining is x plus 5. From both the terms you are taking 3 common, here remaining x plus 5. From both the terms you are taking x plus 5, the remaining is x plus 3. So this is the method how we are going to solve the problem of quadratic equation. One problem I will take my own and I will derive very neatly, so that there will be no confusion of any of the problems for you. Let me write a question, easy method question I will write. See, for example, if I am taking 2x square minus 5x, 2x square plus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. This one I am taking a quadratic equation. Now I think I am taking a quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. Or you can take 2x square plus 5x plus 7 also. Now how we this one first we are comparing with all problems. We can do same method, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. For here we are getting a value 2, b value minus 5, c value as 7. So Sridhar Acharya method, no? In that one also you can substitute, you will get the answer. Or we will do the factor. Both methods I will explain now only. Now see, this is the x square coefficient term and this is the constant term. See carefully, this is x square coefficient and this is the constant term. This is the x square coefficient and this is the constant term. For example, if I am taking x square minus 5x minus 7. Now see, first to multiply the x square coefficient into the constant term, we are getting minus 14. Up to here it is perfect. Very simple. X square coefficient and constant, we are going to do the multiplication. That's it. We are getting 14. So splitting terms, you have to get 14. How you will get 14? 7 to the 14. 7 to the 14. We are having negative number minus 7 plus 2. See, minus 7 into 2 you are getting minus 14. Minus 7 plus 2 you are getting minus 5. I want Chinese remainder theorem here. So I will explain death method also, no need to worry. So you are asking about Chinese remainder theorem. So I'll try to explain in that method also compulsory. Chinese remainder theorem. Other than factor 4. Okay. Now see. Now in place of x we are dividing. How we are doing? 2x square. These values we are writing. See, minus 7x plus 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. From both the terms, take x common. The remaining will be 2x minus 7. Here also write down first 2x minus 7. If there should not be any changes, means we have to multiply with 1. So 2x minus 7 is 1 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. No, we are not taking 0 factors. No. Okay. So 1 we are getting 2x minus 7, 1 we are getting x plus 1. So you are asking me to explain the Chinese remainder theorem for 2x square. Chinese remainder theorem for 2x square minus 5x minus 7. Yes. So now see carefully. As I wrote, see, x is equal to first we are going to do the Sridhar Acharya method. X is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equal to, we know b value minus of minus 5 plus or minus under root b value is minus 5 whole square minus 4 into ac value. A value is 2, b value is 7 by 2a, 2 into a value is 2. So let me take the another pen. As x is equal to minus into minus plus 5 plus or minus, wait a moment, I'll write with another pen. And the pen is completed. Done. Wait a second. Yes. So what we got the answer? So now so it's not good. This not fine. So I'm going to write with one more pen. Yeah, please wait a second. Let me take the another pen. Yes. Now see, 5 plus or minus under root of 5 square is 25 minus 4 to the 8. 8 7 the x, sorry, x value is minus 7. No? Yes, minus into minus plus 56 by 2 to the 4. 5 plus or minus under root 81 by 4. X is equal to 5 plus or minus 9 by 4. X value once we are taking 5 plus 9 by 4. Once we are taking x equals to 5 minus 9 by 4. So x is equals to 4 plus 9, 14 by 4. X equals to minus 4 by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 1 ja, 2 ja, 2 7 ja. 2x is equal to 7. X minus is equals to minus 1. 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. So up to now everything is fine. We got the answer 2x minus 7 and x plus 1. These are the answers we got. Now we are going to use called as Chinese remainder theorem. So the Chinese remainder theorem, what it will state that, for example, x square is congruent to a modulo of n. A modulo of n, we got the, for example, if I am taking the number called as 15, we are having factor 3 into 5. 3 into 5 we are having. Why? Because see, 2x minus 7 and x plus 1 is congruent to 0 modulo of 15. 0 modulo of 15. So once you have to take 2x minus 7 into x plus 1 is congruent to 0 mod of 3, and 2x minus 7 into x plus 1 is congruent to 0 mod of 5. Once you have to do modulo of 3, once you have to do modulo of 5. So if you are going to substitute x value 3, if you are going to substitute the roots, x is equals to 2. X equals to 2, if you are going to substitute, then we are getting x is congruent to 2 modulo of 3. If you are going to substitute x value 1, we are getting x is congruent to 4 modulo of 5. Why I am writing directly means so you can able to understand clearly. And we are having one more method also, substitution of the method. That is also very easy. We can able to do that problem also in easy method. So like this we are going to find out the factors for the problems easily. I think now you got the answer, Anu Ayan. So if you have any queries also, you can type the answer in the comment box so that I can able to solve the problems in the easy method. Yes, this is about the quadratic in the algebra, one of the topic called as algebra. We did quadratic equations. Now we are going for the next topic, that is called as geometry. Before going to start the geometry, I want to tell about some of the formulas which are very important. Basic formulas which we have to remember, that is all squares we have to remember up to 30. As I said previously, भाई सीटेड 4 बार दिया क्या फ़ायदा कि तो सीटेड 4 बार दिया. Yes, so one of the friend is asking, he wrote Ctet 4 times. भाई साहब आपके लिए एक नोटिफिकेशन आया था, अभी मैं आपको बता दूंगा वो नोटिफिकेशन क्या था. एक मिनट रुकिए. यस, सो जिसने भी सीटेट क्वालिफाई किया है, सो आई एम जस्ट फॉर 2 minutes टाइम. I think Vipin Maurya, if you are seeing this video, please type something in the comment box once again. Vipin Maurya has commented. Vipin Maurya has commented this. Let me read the. भाई सीटेट 4 बार दिया गया है, क्या फ़ायदा वैकेंसी की तो आस बताइए. Yes, so if you are Vipin Maurya, if you are in line, please type in the comment box, yes, you are watching this video. Let me guess. Vipin Maurya, if you are seeing this video, please type something in the comment box. So thanks to the viewers, Rinki Courage, Vipin Maurya, Anu Iyer. Vipin Maurya, if you are seeing this video, for you only I am showing this video. See, those who got qualified in Ctet, సో सीटेट లో ఎవరైతే పాస్ అయ్యారో, जिसने भी सीटेट क्वालिफाई किया है उनके लिए, टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट माय गोल्स UPSC. So this we are talking about the something my course UPSC. So I will tell Rinki Courage, definitely I am going to help you. See, let me write first of all the answer for Vipin Maurya. He asked, भाई सीटेट 4 बार दिया गया, क्या फ़ायदा वैकेंसी. See, this is a very good opportunity. This is a Delhi subordinate DSSBC. This is a very good notification. We are having across India 5,346 vacancies we are having totally. DSSB notification. Or if you are seeing online, please type something in the comment box. DSSB notification. So that is Delhi subordinate. So this is the Delhi subordinate Service Selection Board. सो दोज हु आर क्वालिफाइड इन सीटेट, जिसने भी सीटेट क्वालिफाई किया है वो कंपलसरी अप्लाई कीजिए. अब फीस की टेंशन मत लीजिए, फ़ीस बहुत कम दिया गया है. फॉर OBC EWS जनरल कैटेगरी लोगों को 100 रुपीज़ पे करना है. फॉर SC ST PW हमें देर इज़ नो फी पेमेंट एट ऑल. सर आई डिडेंट क्वालिफाई सीटेट, इट्स मीन्स serious. So you didn't qualify means you have to qualify compulsory. Why? Because if you want to apply this DSSA notification, so go to our community tab. There I have given the link directly. You can see there link which is given in our community tab. So you have to qualify the Ctet exam compulsory. Kusmaji, you have to prepare for the Ctet examination. Within less time, if you want to cover our maths, especially our maths topics, I have uploaded all the question papers in the live day sessions. So if some more questions if I'll get, I'll bring the questions compulsory. But those who got qualified Ctet, for them only this is a very good opportunity. They have released totally 5346 vacancies. In that one, TGT post, drawing teacher post is there, and one more is there, that is special education teacher posts are also available. If you go to our community tab, there I have given the link clearly. So I will show in another mobile post. I have community post I have did. Now you can see here I'm showing in another mobile phone. You can see this one. See here I have mentioned, if you go to the videos, this is our channel Ctet English. See carefully. So if you scroll towards the right side, you can go to the post. In this post, if you touch the link will be opened. Yes, I can see here. Yes, registration is there. Now you can do the registration right over here from the website. For education purpose only I am showing. Those who are unable to do, go to our website channel. So if you click on our channel, we are getting our channel like this. So if you scroll videos, after that shorts, live, playlist and post. In the post I have mentioned clearly. So from there you can apply for the examination. If you want, you can click on that, you will get the complete notification also. From there you can apply easily. So no need to worry about the amount is very less, just 100 rupees only you have to pay. Now for eligibility TGT, B.Ed or MED or master should be done along with Ctet compulsory. This is a compulsory Ctet. Those who are get qualified, for them only. Those who are not got qualified, this is not for them. You have to qualify compulsory. Next, drawing teachers, 5 years diploma, they have to do painting, fine arts and sculpture, fine arts and masters in fine arts. And in the special education teacher, B.Ed with special education, B.Ed with diploma in special education, here also Ctet qualified compulsory. Without Ctet qualification, don't waste your amount and don't apply for it. So if you they will ask the option while applying compulsory, they will ask Ctet qualified or not. Let me go through the website once again. If it is given in the website whether it is qualified or not, before that registration has to be done compulsory, that is mandatory. Yes, I think VPN Maria, you got your complete details. And Rinky Courage is asking, tell me about my goals of UPSC. So if you are preparing for civil services, go through all the books. So which subject you are having grip on which subject, either it may be science, maths, English, or anything, geography, history, anything, from the basic of standard 6 to class 12. Go through all the textbooks once again. Why? Because some of the information will be covered in the textbooks. Yes, well, coming back to our class, this one, that's why I kept this book, this paper with me, so that it will be useful for each and everyone. Still, if you are having any doubts, you can ask to me. Yes, you can ask the doubts in the comment box. Civil services, that is next level. We cannot discuss that Ctet right. We cannot discuss that UPSC civil services right over here. Yes, in the algebra we have completed the one topic. So as I said, we have to go through the all the definitions. See all the formulas of law of exponents. Law of exponents, all formulas you have to go, and you have to go through this one also, which is very important. That is called as standard identities. Why I am telling again means which are very very important, that you are going to get compulsory in the examination. Yes, now see, as I said before only, I wrote what are the topics we have to go through for the Ctet and Tet examination. Let me go back and see which we have to cover. Yes, now see, in this one, which are the topics we have covered. Let me show which are the topics I have covered. Number system, fraction, number system, as well as fractions, which is, so we did algebra. Here also there, here also there, algebra is there. We have to go the arithmetic, geometry, measurements, data application. Before going to do this one, so let me go through which is common for both the, for paper 1 as well as paper 2. We'll go for the geometry now. So what are the topics we are going to cover in the geometry? Let me write first of all. Dheeraj Kumar, he said hi sir. Hello Dheeraj. So if you are having any doubts, you can share in the comment box compulsory, so that I can able to give the reply to each and every student. So asking about let go the another geometry in Ctet. So let's discuss the geometry in Ctet. So what are the topics we are going to cover in the geometry Ctet or Tet examination? Basic geometrical ideas, understanding two-dimensional and three-dimensional, mensuration also will be covered in this one. Yes, concept, surface areas and volumes also will be covered in the mensuration chapter. So if you have any doubts, you can type in the comment box. So I'm waiting. Geometry in Ctet. So which is very important topic also in the geometry. So what are the basic concepts you are going to do in the geometry is, let me write first of all. Before going to start the geometry, let we know the 3 line segments. Guys, please मुझे भी support करो. Definitely I'm going to, so please do subscribe to funny vlogs also. Definitely I'm going to see. We are going with a line segment. When you join 3 line segments which forms a triangle, so 3 line segments which is going to form the triangle. We are having 3 types. The first one is a based on sides. We are having 3 types. One is equilateral triangle. Second, in the equilateral triangle, all the 3 sides are equal. The second one is the isosceles triangle. In the isosceles triangle, we are having any 2 sides are equal. In the scalene triangle, all 3 sides are different. That is called as scalene triangle. Now based on angles, for equilateral triangle, all 3 angles are equal. For isosceles, any 2 angles are equal. Third one, scalene triangle, all 3 angles are different. So I'm going to draw the 3 diagrams according to sides. So this is equilateral triangle, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Equilateral triangle. Next, isosceles triangle, any 2 sides equal, no? See, these 2 sides are equal. I'm taking A, B, and C. This one 5 centimeter. This one I'm taking as 8 centimeter. The third one is scalene triangle. All the 3 sides will be different. 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 8 centimeter. For Ctet purpose, Abhi creates at the section. So I am teaching, elaborating all these topics deeply. Why? Because to understand in the easy method, so that you can further, if you have any doubts about the examination purpose, so that you can open the video and go through these videos clearly. So that's why I am writing. So the brother is asking that why I am making these videos. I'm not making just for simply for my sake. So you can go through for the previous videos also, as I shown. You can go to the last 1 week videos the topics which I covered, I have shown in the question paper also clearly that the problems are going to come from the topics. Now angles, 1 2 3, all angles are equal, 60 degrees, 60 degrees for 60 degrees. I am taking the isosceles triangle, this triangle 70 degrees. If this triangle is 70 degrees, this will be 40 degrees. So these are will be different, 50, 60 and 70. Based on, these are based on sides, these are based on angles. That's it. Yes, now we are going to write, which is very important, sum of all interior angles is equals to 180 degrees, which is also very important. Sum of all angles of a interior angles of a triangle, interior of a triangle, which is equals to 180 degrees. If we give scalene triangle, that one also very easy to find it out. Now second one, how we are going to write it down. If we are asking any exterior angle, sum of three exterior, sum of the exterior angles, how much you are going to get. See, for example, if I am drawing any figure like this, see this angle, this get exterior angle 360 degrees. Sum of the two sides should be greater than the third side. If you are taking any triangle, the triangle sum of two sides should be greater than the third side. Sum of the two sides must be greater than the third side. So if you go through the other channels, in most of the channels they are explaining about the problems. Then so I'm not telling that like this. So they are taking the examples of the previous question papers and they are solving the problems. In the basic geometry, which is very important, the very important is triangle, which is very important, that is called as Pythagoras theorem. Sum of the squares of two sides of a triangle, which is right angle triangle, which is equals to the third side of the right angle triangle. Sum of the squares of opposite and adjacent side is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So in the geometry we are having BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. So it is very easy also to understand BPT theorem. In the geometry we are having similar triangles. What we are covering in this geometry is similar triangles and congruence of triangles, so similarities, we are having four types of similarities: angle, side, side congruence, angle and angle congruence. Angle, side, angle congruence is also there. In geometry we are going to cover Pythagoras theorem, tangents as well as secants. So these topics we have to cover compulsory in the geometry. And the most important thing is a right angle triangle. the right angle triangle, which is very important that we have to cover in these topics. I think everyone able to see the video properly. Okay. So if you like the video, please like the, if you see the video will be continued, please give a like button to the video and subscribe to our channel for better more content of the Ctet as well as Tet examination. So these are the topics which we have to cover in the, these are the topics which we have to cover. So in the geometry tangents and secants also we are having triangles. We have to cover triangles. We have to cover quadrilaterals, and we have to cover circles also. So these are the topics we have to cover compulsory: triangles, quadrilaterals as well as circles. So this one we have to cover compulsory at any cost. So I need to end up the video. The topics which I wrote here, which will be continued by tomorrow itself. It's already late, so I'll try to upload the similar triangles, congruence of triangles, Pythagoras theorem, triangles, quadrilateral, circle problems. I'll show the problems in the question paper also, how to cover all the problems in this one. So before going to that one, so let me solve some of the easy problems which will find a very easy method. Yes, which you feel very easy to understand the problems and to solve the problems very easy method, as we discussed previously also. So let me solve one or two problems so that you can able to understand in easy method. Yes, students. So I'm going to continue this class. Before finishing this video, let me show once again about those who are already qualified Ctet. You can apply. This is a very beautiful opportunity of the Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board. Please try to apply compulsory without fail. In this one, what is given? The Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board. So let me read out the notification what they have given about DSSB notification. So this is a very rare notification. We got this notification. Now let me read how many vacancies are there, how to apply. Yes, I think you can able to see in this one also clearly. So I am showing you. Yes, now you can see in this video I am going to show you how many vacancies. So this is from the Government of NCT Act, Delhi, Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board. Here we got the advertisement. I think now you can able to see it clearly, the picture. Yes, the application starts. I think not this one. I think this is not that. Yes, we got the new notification. So that is a very, yes, this is the notification which we got from the Delhi. I can see the opening date of this video is this notification. You can search in the notification number 6/2025. Opening date is 9th October and closing date is 7th November. Now we're going to see how many post vacancies they have released. I think the maximum number of posts are only mathematics. TGT mathematics, you can see here. In TGT mathematics we are getting general category wise 390, OBC 150, SC ST, EWC. Total number of vacancies are 744. For TGT mass male we are having 744. For TGT female we are having 376 posts we are having. You can go through the notification. And TGT English 864, TGT female 104. For male and as well as for female, you can see in this one clearly. In this notification, yes, I think in this notification you can see clearly. So TGT science male, TGT science female, TGT social male 310, TGT social female 92 post, TGT natural we are having 630, TGT natural females 502, TGT Hindi 420, male 420, female 136, Sanskrit 242, female 416. Next, TGT Urdu male 45, Urdu female 116, Punjabi 67, Punjabi female 160, drawing teacher 15 posts, special education posts are only 2. There are only 2 special education posts are available. So better those who have completed training in TGT, they can go for the this remaining all posts. Yes. Other than this, what is given? Yes. Now you can see here total number of vacancies they have given separately about the department wise. This is not required. So now we'll go and we'll see what is the syllabus they have to cover in this one to get to the easy. Yes. Now the age relaxation, age limit is given. Yes, it is mentioned clearly for each and every subject. They have mentioned clearly what is the eligibility criteria. You can see here down it is given. The application date also they have given. So let me see. Drawing teacher, this is about not this one. See, the board has given something. Let me see what we can able to do. I think that's it. I think we have to write the examination. Let me see. So what are the syllabus we have to